Wireless charging is the future. All new iPhones are on the path of being portless and companies are thriving, filling in the inductive charging segment. My personal favorite company is Nomad with their base station and base station stands, which I've done separate videos on. Today, however, we have a different, nicely done product by ZENS and their ZENS dual+watch aluminum wireless charger. Did you know that their website is makezens.com? I mean, how original and cool is that? Hey guys, this is E, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Iskren and most people call me E, and in those difficult times I will be in my home studio working to show you some cool software and tech products that you might find useful while being responsible and staying at home. According to my research, ZENS was founded around 2011 in Eindhoven, Netherlands, and focuses on elegant solutions to wirelessly charge mobile phones. According to their own website, they became the first to launch CE-certified wireless charging products onto the international market. ZENS even have a Liberty Wireless Charger Glass Edition station with 16 overlapping charging coils that provide absolute freedom of placement, similar to what Apple had in mind with AirPower. What we have here is one of their product pads that allows you to charge up to 2 devices and an Apple Watch, which rests elegantly on its own elevated stand. This product comes in black and white. The packaging is relatively straightforward, simple cardboard that holds the device in place and the power brick, which doesn't use the latest USB-C standard as Nomad does. By the way, you might hear me make more Nomad references as we move forward in this video because I believe Nomad is the gold standard when it comes to product quality and packaging. This way it is also easier to illustrate the difference in features, so don't take this the wrong way. The ZENS Wireless Charger pad itself is very well designed and assembled, made out of one piece of high-grade aluminum. It's hefty but very thin in design at 8mm, and the charging surface is made out of rubberized material that will keep in place even the most slippery of phones. It's not leather, however, or made of lint-resistant material, so you might expect some dust accumulating. The watch stand is metal and it is beautifully made, forming this floating effect when you place your Apple Watch. The pad can juice up to 2 devices below and a watch above. It outputs a total of 20 watts with the watch on the stand supporting the trifecta. If you charge only 2 smartphones without the watch, it can output a max of 10 watts each and supports Apple and Samsung fast charge, which is excellent. Personally, I like it a lot, but I do think that they can work a bit more on the packaging and perhaps make the power brick modular like Nomad does. With their base station solutions, Nomad provides braided cables with USB-C standard, and the power brick itself is cleverly made, serving as a viable travel charger. I'm saying all this because the ZENS charger is not cheaper than what Nomad has to offer. In fact, it is a bit more expensive at around $120, while the regular Nomad base station is at $99.95. Sure, the regular Nomad stand doesn't have a dedicated watch stand, but still, with its additional USB ports, it can charge up to 4 devices at the same time. So if you really want to make ZENS and grab this one at a better price, why not check ThisIsE? God, I love it when it rhymes. These guys have a massive variety of premium products and accessories ranging from all the latest Apple devices to cases, screen protectors, spare parts and professional tools. Their catalog even offers replacement kits for your laptop and smartphone. ThisIsE ship worldwide and have excellent customer service, so be sure to stop by their website and use coupon code ThisIsE to get 10% off their entire lineup of accessories. If you apply the coupon code on this ZENS charger, you can grab it in black or white for 95 bucks. Make ZENS? It's been an absolute pleasure. This is Z, over and out.